Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram invite collaborator not showing on iPhone and Android device. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to in my Instagram account invite collaborator option is not showing on my iPhone and Android device. Now the most of Instagram users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. Now before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. In this video I give you some solutions. Now first one solution is make sure check your account is public or not. Now to first of all find out the Instagram applications from the iPhone and Android home screens and open it. Open the Instagram. After you can see also right hand side bottom profile sections. Now please make sure tap on it. Now tap on the right hand side corner 3 lines and tap on the settings icon. In the settings sections you can see also fourth one option is privacy. Now tap on that, and now you can see also first one option is private account. If your Instagram account is private, now please make sure do public your Instagram account. Now the second solution is download install the old versions of the Instagram. Now the first of all find out the Instagram applications from your iPhone and Android home screens and press and hold, and last option is uninstall. When the Instagram applications uninstall is successfully done, now open the any browsers. In my case I will open the Chrome browser. In the Chrome browser's top corner search bar, in search bar search all versions of the Instagram. Now the first website is available. Now this website link I give you on my descriptions box, so easily copy and paste on your browser and open it. Open this trusted website. After scroll down and select the 5th October 2022. Select after you can see also green download icon available. Now please make sure tap on that. When the download install is successfully done, now again log in your account. This way too you can easily fix your problems. Now the third one solution is latest versions to update your Instagram applications on your iPhone and iPad. First of all open the App Store in the iPhone and Play Store in the Android device. Now the top corner search bar, in search bar search Instagram application. If the any Instagram latest versions available, now latest versions to update your Instagram applications on your iPhone and Android. This way too you can easily Instagram invite collaborator problem fix on your iPhone and Android. Now the fourth one solution is clear data and clear cache of Instagram application. First to find out the Instagram applications, press and hold. After second last option is app information. Tap on the app informations. Now first one option is storage uses. Now please make sure tap on it. Now wait for the sometimes for the calculations of the storage of Instagram. When the calculation is done, now right hand side corner clear data and clear cache options available. Now please make sure both tap on that, and easy to fix your problems. Now the last and most important solution is delete the Instagram applications and reinstall on your iPhone and Android device. For that first of all find out the Instagram applications, press and hold. After last option is uninstall. When the uninstall is successfully done, now open the App Store in the iPhone and Play Store in the Android device and top corner search bar. Search the Instagram applications. After download install successfully done, after login your account, this way too you can easily fix your problems. These 5 solutions apply after open the Instagram applications. Now top corner to select plus icon and tap on the post. In the post sections, now select the anyone post from the gallery. Select the post. After you can see also tag people options available. Now please make sure again tap on that. Tap on the tag people. After you can see also invite collaborator options available. Now tap on that, search your account, and you can easily fix your problems. These 5 solutions too you can easily enable invite collaborator on your Instagram account. I hope this video helpful for you much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.